Hi, welcome to Coding Library channel. In this video, I will talk about ng style directive, and from its name, you can think that it will change the style of HTML tag. And because we only change the style, this means that this directive is an attribute directive. So let's start our video, and we have to see the difference between the ng style directive and the style binding. So in ng style, we can't use just a string like this, for example. If you see this error says that a string is not assignable to this type. This means that ng style only accepts an object, and because this should be an object, we should bind it using square brackets. The error here because we write the CSS rule with a dash, which means that we have to write it like this, or use a single quote here. Also, we have to write the value between single quotes. This is the first difference, is that ng style only accept object. Also, we have seen before in style binding that we can do something like this and like this one. This is not allowed in ng style. It will show an error. This is a second difference. Let's see another difference. The other difference is that ng style will not sort the CSS rules alphabetically as we have seen before in style binding. As you can see, it is the same order. Okay, let's compare it with ng style again. As you can see, style binding always sort the CSS rules alphabetically. So the only difference is that ng style directive only use the binding with an object, and the second difference is that ng style will not sort or order the CSS styles alphabetically. And there is a final note: you have to import the common module also, because this is one of the tools that's found in the common module. And this is the end of the video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to tell us or ask us. And thank you for watching.